Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix Acrobat Reader not installing in Windows 7 operating system. Let's start the video, open browser and download Acrobat Reader. Okay, after type this, click on download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Scroll down. Now you see here option Adobe Express Photo, Adobe Genuine and more add-on. Leave this as it is. Don't click on download Adobe Reader. Click on more download option. Okay, there is an option select operating system. Now click on operating system option. Select here Windows 7 and select here language. Select either English. Now select here operating system 64 or 32-bit. This option is available only 32-bit. Don't worry. Okay. Now click on download Adobe Reader. Now Adobe Reader is downloading. Now click on next. That's it. Now check Adobe Reader file is downloading for offline installation. Okay. Wait for download complete. Okay. After download, install this Adobe Reader in your PC or laptop. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.